Welcome to 1954 Pine Valley in the beautiful Bentwood Country Club Estates. Come check out how spacious this home is. I love the bright living area and the open space for informal dining, an open kitchen, and split bedrooms. This home is spread throughout 1,700 square feet. A bonus room off the main living area is perfect for a game room, a home office, informal dining, or even a fourth bedroom. If you like entertaining, you'll love the extra seating right up at the counter that's adjacent to the breakfast nook. As we walk through the kitchen, you'll love the granite countertops. All the appliances feature stainless steel, and you have an extra space for a pantry. You'll love the peace and quiet in this primary bedroom suite. Recharge in this jetted tub while relaxing in the spa-like bathroom. Thanks so much for taking a tour today. I hope you come check out this home and come check out all the amenities that the Bentwood Country Club lifestyle can provide you. For more information, click below. Thanks.